How to open a HSBC bank account online in UK. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can open a HSBC bank account online in UK. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Google on your device and in the search bar type in HSBC Bank. From here, tap on the first link on your interface. After that, you will land in the official web page of HSBC Bank. Scroll down a bit and then tap on current account. Now, according to your preferences, you have to choose an account. If you like to open an online banking account, tap on bank account. Now, again, scroll down a bit and then tap on how to apply. Here, you will get all kind of information regarding the procedure to apply for an online account. So make sure to read all of this information given to you, and under that there is a criteria that says who can apply. It says you must be 18 or older, and if you're happy for us, if you do a credit check against your name, you have to provide your ID and a proof of address if needed, and you can read all of the important account document below. Now, if you are eligible to apply for an online account, you can simply tap on apply now, or if you like to open a sole account or joint account, there you have two options to choose from. So choose according to your preferences. Here you will see the eligibility criteria to apply for a sole account. You are not an existing HSBC customer. You are aged 18 or above and you currently live in UK or one of these following countries here. If you are not eligible, you will not be able to create an account. If you are eligible, now you can proceed for further procedure. Now, the documents and information that is needed for your application are your address for at least 3 years, your employment details, your income details, and proof of your identity and address. So if you have all of this information, you can simply tap on confirm and start. Now, there are 5 total steps for the application procedure. So first of all, you have to provide your personal details. Provide all of the information, then tap on continue, and on the next step you will be asked for further details. So follow the screen instructions and provide all the needed or necessary documents. After you complete all the 5 steps, you will have a HSBC online banking account. So that's the way to create a HSBC online banking account in UK. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.